Hi everyone, my name is Chef Dipankar. Today I gonna show you how to make croissants. This I make a one viral croissant. This called chili croissant, green chili. I use a green chili. If you like my video and recipe, subscribe my channel and like and comment. Then I can motivate and can make a next video also I make. Then start the recipe. Then first bring a chili. Okay, I take a green chili need to be nicely washed, and after wash I need to put a mixer jar. I can show you how to. So first I take green chili and wash nicely, then I put the water, little bit water and chili and make a nice paste, and can need to make a dough. This dough already ready. Okay, I need to next video I can show you. This one is dough recipe. I give my caption, can check my caption. Okay, see, this is the folding process. You can saw the folding how I fold. This is the first fold. Okay, put a butter and nicely fold. Then after need a rolling pin. You can rolling pin in your hand. If you making the home, you can rolling pin in your hand, but I have here seater. I can sit and fold. Okay, then first I take a single fold. Need to first single fold. So the single fold how I fold is single. This is called single fold. Okay, then you can same also need to press little bit, then butter will be separate. Otherwise butter is coming out, then is problem, dough is not coming out. Okay, I not showing the how to put the butter because butter coming here as seed. Okay, but this is a little amount I make, then I make some amount of butter. This one I give you recipe how much dough, how much need butter. Basically 3 kilo dough, 1 kilo butter need for seating. Okay, if you making normal butter, need to like this, flour and butter need to mix. After that you can put a nice shape. After is shape coming, then you put nicely, need to chiller or freezer. Better chiller is temperature is butter temperature is going high, otherwise then you cannot roll. Is butter temperature if you load this, that time is butter coming out. Okay, that's why no need freezer, you can keep little bit chiller, then you put. Croissants making time important in butter temperature and dough temperature. I make already single fold, one time finish, then I need to second time. I cut and nicely shape given. This shape, if you cut nicely shape coming, then I take a single fold again, then 2 times single fold is done. 2 times single fold done, then need to nicely press and put to seater. I can have seater, that's why I put seater. Otherwise if you making a hand, then you put to little bit rest in the chiller, otherwise butter coming out. See, last fold is book fold. You can do book fold, otherwise you can do single fold. 3 single fold also coming good. You check my video, you can saw is 3 single fold is coming very nice. Okay, then I need to divide this dough is 2 side because I'm making a little bit for amount for this color croissants. See, I make a different dough in color. I can show you this one also. See, I make a different same dough, I put little bit color. Okay, you can add any vegetable in some vegetable, you can put veggie leaves, you can add, then coming color. Spinach juice also is good for color coming. See, I cut a dough. This one I need to divide two side. Okay, 2 pieces I divide, then I put little bit water. I add water because of stick, then is not come out. This one taking a sticky. If you roll that time after baking, it will not come out. If you not put water, this if after baking is open, that's why you need to put butter, nicely spray, then it can stick, then you can roll again, then make a sheet is a 4.5. I make up like a 4.5. You can take any you can make any type of, but it's better 4.5. Okay, see, I cut is a triangle shape because I am making a croissant. If you making a chocolate croissant, you make a square. this time is very important is dough temperature. If you rolling time temperature, dough temperature is very low, then you cannot roll. Butter is that time also butter coming out. Then you need to sheet. Always if after cut sheet you need to put freezer little bit, take time, and after you can take a chiller, you keep outside, then you can sheet. Otherwise dough hard also problem and dough soft also coming problem. I write all the temperature and everything I can tell in my caption. You check my caption, then you can understand what temperature need, what temperature not need for making a croissants. If you making croissants is a more important, I am telling again this temperature. If you good temperature you can make nice croissants. If you not temperature you maintaining, then not make coming a good shape, good structure, good texture, everything not coming good, because messy coming. Sometimes it's messy, you can't fold also if you hot. That's why bakery always need a AC something. Okay, in home if making you can make a fast. See my croissant already I make nice shape, but I put freezer this one little bit rest. Though I rest one day, you can rest 2 hours or 3 hours, you can rest after you take out and make nice. Okay, need to assemble the tray nicely arranging. And after you can add egg wash. I add egg wash some. Okay, see just I take a freezer I keep, because if you put freezer this coming very nice. Otherwise is coming open, layer is open, something happen coming. This is my knowledge, I can share you. After egg wash I can bake a this is a oven. I can set temperature is 180, 160. Okay, 160. If you baking 160 need to 15 minutes. After you no need to touch anything. 15 minutes will be enough for baking. Okay, if you bake oven, you can make like 230, 10 to 12 minutes. If you home making also same 200 degree you can bake 12 or 15 minutes. You can make 12 or 15 minutes. See after baking different coming, I can show you how to texture and layer. This honeycomb I can show you, everything is coming. See this is a texture coming because of I keep rest, I follow the temperature. See I can show you, I cut it nicely, then I can show you how to coming as a honeycomb. And if you like this one you can comment it's good or bad. If you like my this croissants you can comment here. You comment my is coming or no, this very nice coming, you can check my. If you like my video you can check my recipe in my caption. Thank you for today. Bye bye, tata.